What's up, you guys? It's your girl Naima. Welcome back to my channel. I was just getting ready to forget my name. What's going on? But anyway, I'm here to show you guys the items that I picked up during the Sephora sale. Y'all know I'm not going to be doing too much, okay? I'm going to go with the stuff that I know and sometimes with the stuff that I want to try. 9 times out of 10, when I want to try something, I purchase it, it always hits. So to see the items that I ordered, keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to unbox and open everything together because y'all just know this how we do. So let's go ahead and get on into it. I am a regular VIB member. Like I said, I don't be spending that much money to be the top tier of the, you know, the VIB. No, I'm VIB. I ain't rude or whatever the tier is. I'm the baby. I'm the small step. So here, I did get quite a few things. And like I said, it was some things that I want to try. And I think it was 2 rebuys, repurchases or whatever. All right, the first item is a full size of the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. I did try this before and I actually enjoyed it. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and invest in the big bottle. Let's open her up. And it's not really that much bigger than the freaking mini if you want to be honest. So pick that up. I can't wait to add her to my little mini fridge and get it popping. The next item is, so I own every shade of the one size except for the translucent. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and get a translucent because I normally use I do have Ultra Pink and I also have Dark Deep. So I guess it's depending on what look I'm going for is when I use the powders, but my go-to, the GOAT, is the Crayon Case Setting Powder, and I am in shade letter A. But every time Super has a sale, I always miss out. So the next sale, I'm going to be on it. So until then, I wanted to try this good old Patrick Stars, one size and translucent. So what the heck? Go ahead and add it to the collection because I know that the powders are bomb. So why not just add her to the collection? Okay, the next item is also a repurchase. I actually did fall in love with the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. Is it Charlotte Tilbury? Yeah. Yeah, Charlotte Tilbury. So this was the smaller version I got to try on the last sale, and I actually do like it. So initially I wanted the one size Set Till Dawn setting spray. I wanted the full size, but it sold out. So then I went on ahead and settled for the full size of this setting spray. So can't wait to add her to the collection as well. Put her in my fridge because I love it when it's like nice and cool. And it just, now to me, I honestly don't know if these sprays work for me per se, but I just do it because that's just what you're supposed to do when you do your makeup. But I have no complaints. It says it's a 16-hour wear. It's no melting, no fading, no creasing. I honestly, again, cannot test to none of that stuff because I really don't know. And y'all know me, I don't beat my face every day, okay? But when I do put it on, I don't mind using the spray. The next couple of items are new. I have not tried these, but I was influenced to buy. So this is a ultra face cream. I was definitely influenced to try this. I did need like a moisturizer for after I wash my face, clean it, use a serum, and then I was going to follow up with this. Now, I don't know. Like I said, the claims on it, I don't know. But I do plan on trying her out. So it's a 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula. So again, I'm usually a Fenty moisturizer girl, but again, I'm just trying something different. Okay, so I would definitely come back and let you guys know what I feel about this. The next item, again, influence. So I didn't want to jump out there and get a full size because, again, I don't know. But I've heard great things about this Hourglass concealer. And I got the shade, what shade did I get? I got Maple. So this is the Vanish Hourglass concealer. So this small one, I think, was like $18. So I'm sure I'm only going to probably get about 3 or 4 wears out of this. Ooh, she's small, small. She tiny, tiny. The shade looks good. It's really, really olivey, like orange. So this should be okay. So can't wait to try this. Again, if it don't work, guess what? It's going what? Back. We do not waste no coins up over here. Okay, the last 2 items I was so excited to try. I actually did smell this when I was in Jamaica with Tasha because Tasha had the fragrance. So I finally got my own. So we got the Soul Jade de Janeiro, the purple joint. So I got the body butter. And then I picked up the body mist. So again, like I said, I've tried this fragrance. I've tried the spray. And it was good. It wasn't as strong as people made it out to be. So now, you know what I'm saying? Since it is the sale, I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and add her to my mist collection because she do smell good. She do give vanilla. She good. Like I said, it's good to add to my mist collection. Now the butter, I only own Real Radiance, and then I own the number that was the dupe for the Burberry Her or the Baccarat, whatever. So I don't really splurge that much on the butters. So I was like, again, I was like, let me go ahead and get her and add her to my butter collection. So I just got the small version. Now, this is very, very faint. I love the consistency. This one is not as creamy as the Real Radiance. Again, it's for travel. It's alright. Alright, so let me know if you guys have tried any of these items that I mentioned in this little haul. This haul is very, very, very tiny compared to the other hauls that are out there. But you know, listen, I don't waste my money. I don't buy stuff just to buy it. I don't care if I can get my money back. That's wasting my time. And we're not doing that. So again, I look forward to trying this face moisturizer, the translucent setting powder, this concealer for sure, and lathering up with this for, I may say, bedtime. Okay. All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Hello to all my new subscribers. What's up, y'all? We don't reach 3,000 subscribers. I'm not even gonna tell y'all how long I have been doing YouTube, but I have been picking up, you know, being more consistent. So that's what's bringing the subscribers, and we love it, and I appreciate y'all. All right, you guys, thank you so much again. Talk to you later. Bye.